Hi, and welcome back. Percentage variations are a useful tool that facilitates the understanding of the dynamics of a business. So in this lesson, we will add them to our spreadsheet. First, we'll add a blank column to separate the P&L data from percentage variations. We can reduce the size of the new column to 1.25 in the column width menu. Okay, let's copy the format of one of the columns of the P&L table and use paste special formats to improve the formatting of these two columns. Once we've done that, we can insert the two new titles. The first column will contain percentage variations between 2014 and 2015. And the second column will have percentage variations between 2015 and 2016. We will have percentage values here, and that is why I'll select a percentage formatting for these cells. We're ready to calculate percentage variations. The formula is given by this year's value divided by the value observed the previous year minus 1. Okay? Let's copy the formula for all rows of the table. Excellent! We calculated percentage variations. Our next task is to use conditional formatting and highlight strong and weak variations. I'll select all percentage values we calculated. We can find conditional formatting in the Home tab. Once we've clicked on the button, we can choose from several options. In this exercise, we'll use the traffic light icons, red, amber, and green. I'll select the icon set, and as you can see, conditional formatting was applied to all cells where we've calculated percentage variations. One of the subtleties when working with conditional formatting is that we should always edit the rules determining the colors of these cells. Excel does it automatically for us. However, ideally, we should always be the ones deciding when values should be colored green, amber, or red. That's why I'll click on Manager Rules and choose to edit the current rule. The rule I'll choose is to have green for variations of 10% or more, to have amber for values that are between 0% and 10%, and to have red for all values that are below 0%. Let's click OK. After the adjustments we made, our P&L looks much better. Thank you for watching.